Miao Boulare. Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which the President of the Swiss Confederation has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the ambassador of the Swiss Confederation to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present a letter of recall to my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I'm pleased to receive your credentials, and I welcome you mostly to the Republic of Fiji, and I wish you a happy and successful mission. Please convey to the President, the Cameron, and the people of Switzerland our warmest wishes for the continued well-being, peace, and prosperity.